Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add round corners to our labels in Roblox. Let's get started by opening up a game. I'm going to open up a new game, Classic Baseplate. And here we're going to click on UI. We're going to click on Screen GUI. That automatically adds a Screen GUI to your starter GUI. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a text label. So now I have inside my starter GUI, I have a screen GUI and a text label. You can reposition your label. And as you can see here, my label, the corners are very sharp. So when the players play your game and they see a label with sharp corners, maybe that's gonna scare them. Afraid if they touch the corners, they're gonna get cut, they're gonna get hurt. So you don't want to do that. You want to give the player a pleasant experience. You want to round these corners, make them nice and round so that they're not going to hurt anybody. To make the corners nice and round, we're going to use UICorner. So I'm going to go to my text label, select the text label, and you're going to add an object called UICorner. And there it is, just select it. So now inside my text label, I have a UICorner. Right away, you can see the corners of the label are now already rounded, right? You can go and make some adjustments. So right now the offset is 8. If you like, you can use the scale instead. So instead of 0 here, I'm gonna make it 0.5 for the scale, and I'm gonna turn off the offset. So I'm gonna make it 0, hit enter. And there it is. Now I have a nice label with rounded corners. Now you can apply the same concept to other user interfaces here. So let's go back to the UI menu. And so the thing we did was the text label. Now let's take a look at image label. Maybe I should select the screen GUI first and click on image label. So this is my image label, and you see that the corners are very sharp. If I want to make it nice and round, I'm going to copy this UICorner paste it into the image label. And now I have a nice round circle. All right, and you can adjust it. If you don't want a circle, you can go to the corner radius and change the scale. Instead of 0.5, how about we make it 0.1, because we don't want a circle. So now we have a frame with nice round corners. Let's take a look at another one. Now we have the image button. Again, we have to select the screen GUI and click on image button. And we can do the same thing. So I'm gonna copy this UICorner into the image button. And there it is. Now it's nice and round. The next one we have is the text box. All right, I'm gonna bring my text box. Whoops. Let me select it first. I'm gonna bring it over here and copy the UICorner to it. Paste into the text box. And let me make some changes to it. So instead of 0.1 for the scale, I'm gonna make it 0.3. Now the text box has nice round edges. Let's see what else we have. Go back to the UI menu. So we did the text box. The text button should be the same. Bring it over here. I'm gonna copy the UICorner from the text box into my text button. And there it is. Do we have anything else? Text button, text label, we did already. All right, so the only one that doesn't work is the scrolling frame. If you select the scrolling frame here, right? Let me bring it over here. This is my scrolling frame. Whoops. And if I try to copy the UI corner, paste it into the scrolling frame, you can see that it didn't do it. It didn't round the edges, the corners. UI corner does not apply to the scrolling frame. Other than that, everything else here, you can use UI corner for them. And everyone, that's how you add round corners to your labels in Roblox. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.